Ottawa police are investigating an unusual incident Friday morning. They pulled over a Purolator delivery truck that had apparently had a package in it that was a transponder used for airplanes to indicate their signal. The device was being sent for a repair, but somebody had left it in the on position, which triggered an investigation by the Air Force to locate what they thought might have been a signal from a disabled airplane. It led to a scene at Albion Road and Mitch Owens Drive in South Ottawa, where police unpacked the entire Courier truck. An Air Force helicopter arrived with technicians who inspected the Courier truck's cargo. They repacked it and sent it on its way. Ottawa police are continuing the investigation. I'm Courier for the Ottawa Sun.